my beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, today topic na about one man wake meme his side chick. My darling people, sometimes I know they understand some men. If you know, say you no go fit do, why you go first start time? Why you go first start time? If you know, say you no go fit deal with your wife, you no go fit talk to your wife, and you know say if your wife see you with this side chick, you no go gree. Then why you go even start am? Why you go even start am? So men I dey bar for them really, like I dey surprise for them really. Okay, you go dey carry side chick, you no know say tomorrow say the man, the girl now go come carry belle one day. You no know. I no understand, sha. I just want advise our men. If you know say you get wife, no dey follow side chick again. E no good. E no good, my darling people. Sometimes I dey wonder for some kind men, really. I dey wonder for them. How do you go carry side chick finish? My darling people, wetin really happen be say this man, he carry side chick. So as they date the side chick can't get belle along the line. When the side chick get belle, this man say go fit o. Say no problem, say go fit do everything. Say go talk to your wife, you know. I mean, one another verse, I get those nose problem for now. I get kata. So my darling people, so the man come the side chick come tell her say get belle. So the man come say no problem, say he go fit deal with him. So he can't tell the girl say make the girl born the pikin. So later he say he no want make your wife know. Later now, e be like say your wife wan come find that. So the man now come dey find he wan do the side chick because he don't want lose his wife. Now the same matter. He come dey look for how he wan do the side chick. So the side chick now come say belle already big. Belle no go let them remove again. This man not come know what to do again. And not come know devil wey enter am. Somebody will go advise am for bad thing. This man can go send somebody, the Tazima wey carry the woman, wey he say na he send this Tazima make come carry am. He can go gbeme the girl. As he gbeme the girl now, so the no police now, they can say they must find out wetin gbeme this girl. They must make sure say they find that wetin really gbeme the girl. So as they find out, they go now they can see say na the Tazima wey can carry am, we can carry the girl. Na he gbeme the girl. So now they come tell Tazima say, who send you? Tazima no gree talk. So when they come tell that one say he go stay, they go arrest him and they go spend the rest of his life for prison there. Now he come quick confess the man say na the man wey dey follow the girl, na he gbeme the girl. Una understand? Say na the man wey dey follow am, na he gbeme am. Say na he say na make him do am. Na he make him do am. Say because he no want make his wife know. Una dey hear matter, my darling people. Una dey hear matter. Some men I dey wonder for them. Una go get beautiful wife for house. Una go dey find side chick they go. They get one of the carry herself. Una wife go even find pass am sometimes. Not be the same bekus where the girl get. Now your wife get. Not be the same bekus. Wait till the girl now will be say you can't sweet pass your wife where you can't go the follow side chick. Wait till they there. Today now you don't go your nyash door open now. They don't already know now say now you do this thing. How you reason your life now? How you can't reason your life? Sometimes I dey wonder for some men. Really, I dey wonder for some men. What it go even make you reason and say now to go they carry a side chick. Now you can't be the best. How you take prefer side chick more than your wife? How? Eh? Now. You don't payment the girl now. On the year matter. Eh? If it is say baby go do and they not go know, they must know. They say every day for the thief, one day for the owner. And side chick them, una go know say person get a wife. Una go see the shook una head put. Una don't see any man wey go want follow woman, he go come tell the woman say, he go come tell you say he no love your wife. Una don't ever see. He go talk say he no love your wife so that make you follow her. After you don't enter, you come say na lie to you. Say if with your wife they still dey. My darling people, more na stop. See this girl now, just see the way this girl now just stay waste like that. Just see the way this girl now just stay waste like that now. So this will not be bad omen. So my darling people, I beg. Any girl wey be say you never fair marry, not you never marry before, not follow sugar daddy. Not follow them, because as you see them, they fit deceive you. You go enter finish. They love their wife past any other thing. You know. If they don't love their wife, they for not the fear. They love their wife. That makes you say that they always dey fear if they follow you. You understand? They always dey fear because they know how make their wife know. They love their wife, but they will lie to you people say, I don't love my wife, oh. I don't get what they use until they do, oh. This is that, oh. Now just make you just enter your bekus. Make you just enter Jerusalem. Now make it tell you say no love your wife. He love your wife. He love him. You understand? He love your wife. Now make all those ones when you go by your lie to you say I don't love my wife. Now lie. He love him. So my ogbonge people, I beg. You will be say you never fall victim now. Look, use this girl who take get sense. See, he own sugar daddy now because you know I made your wife know. You see, because I want to do what my mates they do. Now the man take go enter one chance now. How you reason in life now? You say they go leave her for prison now? No. She be the wife now go dey disappointed now. Say na kill her, he follow this house. So you will know so you never fall victim. I beg. No go follow sugar daddy. If you get young guy where they follow you, just continue with that young guy. Continue with that young guy. No go fall victim finish. You come begin to regret your life later. Just see the way this girl now just stay waste like that. Because the man now no want to let your wife know. Now they still matter. You don't want to make your wife know. It may mean the girl. So side chick, how na raise una life now. If they tell you something, I not go hear sometimes. Not follow sugar daddy. Maybe that girl be get you better guy where they follow him. No, sugar daddy not go let not go let boys see their girlfriend, their future wife marry. They go they follow them, they drag her. I don't see sugar daddy way be say if they follow the girl boyfriend they drag he get you. Even they leave his wife go they meet this girl for house. As he can't do rich now they tell him so. His wife cry. So tell you go fight the girl as he do rich. The man not still leave the girl. He can't even love the girl the more. You don't understand? Even the boy called they say, make they help and beg this man, make him leave his girlfriend alone. Now the same matter. So side chick, Mona receive sense. Thank you everybody. So anything you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Please always put thumbs up for my video anytime you watch my video. Thank you and God bless you. Bye everybody. Bye. Share the video for me and let the video go viral.